Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new product today, which is by OGX. All know this brand. It has a lot of great shampoos, pre-treatment, hair oils. So this is a new product that we have in the market and is the Bond Protein Strengthening Spray. So if you put this on before you shower, 30 minutes before, and then you shower and do the shampoo conditioner method, it will really help decrease the damage in your hair if you have dried out hair. And you can also put this on before styling or applying any heat, and it will also protect from heat damage. So if you're familiar with the Abby Young method, it's the new method that's to help prevent any kind of damage and how to have healthier hair moving forward. Will help with hair growth, hair stimulation, as well as repairing the hair. So this Bond Protein Repair Spray is 450 degrees heat protectant spray, as well as repair and protect. So if you're looking for a new protein repair bond spray, look no further. This is a very affordable option than some of the other ones in the market. Maybe they're more than $20 or $30. This is under $20, and I like the spray. It evenly has a really nice mist that sprays the hair quite evenly and make sure it gets every strand. So again, don't forget to try this product. Leave a comment, let us know how it has helped your hair or what it has done for your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you enjoyed watching our videos and like to know about new product reviews. Again, thank you so much for watching.